The finalists for the Charity Shorty Award brought together people who were eager to help. That included fighting poverty, protecting the environment, offering support to those coping with memory loss, and even harnessing pop star power for good. And this year's Shorty Award for the charity goes to the Nature Conservancy. And here to accept is Hugo Espinel.
Okay, so I'm the first, guys. The Nature Conservancy, you know us, of course. Very short, this shorty goes to the 146 people that work on us on social media marketing team on a daily basis. Without them, we would not be here. We are so, so grateful. Thank you very much, and for nature, thank you.